and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a highly requested video, and it is to do a video on my DIY foam soap recipe. Now when I did my Dollar Tree haul a while back, one of my Dollar Tree hauls, I showed you guys that I picked up these cute owl soaps at Dollar Tree, but that I wasn't going to use them for actually the hand soap. I was going to actually put lotion in them for my girls, and I was going to pour the hand soap out of them and make my DIY foam soap out of this soap to use in another bottle. And when I put that in my video, you guys wanted to see a video on how I made my foam soap recipe. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I make it, and I just make it from everyday hand soap. So it doesn't matter whatever soap you buy. You can, like for me today, I'm going to be using these soaps that came in the owl things and the owl bottles, and I did not know that these different ones, I got the different colors because I thought they were cute, but I didn't know that the different colors had different scents on them. Like the pink one is actually a strawberry scent, and the blue one is actually a apple scent, and I didn't even know that they had different scents in them until I saw another Dollar Tree haul video that someone made, and they actually smelled them and they said they were different scents. But anyways, today's video I'm going to show you how I make my foam soap out of this hand soap, but you can use any hand soap that you buy. I use the soft soap a lot because you can get them at a good price with couponing, and also at Dollar Tree for 99 cents. And the way that I make this foam soap, you could take any cheap hand soap that you want and stretch your dollars by making it into foam soap. And the only thing that you need for it is actually a foam soap container, and you can reuse one that you bought before. This one right here is a dowel container that I had, and I actually purchased another one to show you guys how it looks so you guys can find it, and also because I needed another bottle in another bathroom that I have. So anyways, you can use any foam soap bottle, but I like the dowel one because there's always a good price on it. So I purchased one. This is how it looks once you purchase it in the store, and they have different scents to them. But all you need is an actual foam soap bottle that you can reuse from buying foam soap. So this is how it looks when it's emptied, and I just use these and reuse it to make my own foam soap. And I find that my foam soap is actually a little bit thicker consistency than the one that I buy from Dial, the actual Dial one. This one is actually a watery consistency whenever I use the foam soap, and I kind of feel like it doesn't really, clean your hands as well. And the one that I make, you can feel like kind of like the thickness, not too much thickness, but the thickness of it actually cleaning your hands. So anyways, all you would do is you'll buy one of these bottles, and it doesn't have to necessarily be the Dial brand. It could be any foam soap brand, but I do like the Dial container because I found that their container, their what is this called? The little like dispenser. Their dispenser never gets stuck, and I've had other more expensive products use their containers, and their dispenser always gets stuck at the bottom, but the Dial one never does. It always pops back up. So I like to use the Dial container. So what you'll do is you'll get any soap in the house, and you'll fill it up to about 1/4 of the bottle. And that's what I do. I mean, you can play it by ear how you guys would like to do it, but I like to fill it up 1/4 of the bottle with the hand soap, and then I fill the rest of it up with water. Now with everybody getting sick nowadays, with the flu and stuff like that, and you want to maybe have some extra more, a little bit extra oomph in cleaning, you can fill it up halfway, but it's not necessary, not for me. I find that when I fill up the bottle halfway with the liquid, any hand soap liquid, and fill up the rest of them with water, I get a good consistency as far as the foam soap that we use. And when you use the pump and you fill it in your hands, it's thicker than, like I said, the one that comes in this actual bottle. This one is actually very watery to me, and so I like the fact of the homemade ones that I make. And again, like I said, you don't have to get any expensive soap. I know there's a lot of DIY recipes out there where you can make it out of Castile soap or some other natural products, which you can, and I'm actually looking into those because I had bought some peppermint Castile soap that I might make a recipe later, and I'll share with you guys that. But for me, I just find whatever hand soap that's on sale, and I just stretch it by adding water to it and making it foam soap. So this bottle, all the soap that's in this bottle, I could probably get maybe 4 or 5 whole bottle uses out of this, and this was just $1. And again, the soft soap is always on sale for 99 cents or $1 as well, so you can always stretch your buck to do the foam soap. I also do this with my dish soap. I have a little Dial dispenser by my sink in my kitchen sink, and I do the same thing with the dish soap. I'll fill it 1/4 away with the dish soap, and I fill the rest of it up with water. And what it makes is it makes a dish foam soap, so that whenever I'm washing my dishes, you know, I wash my dishes at night, but let's say if I need to wash something in between my dishwashing, I can use the foam soap to put it on the sponge and just do a quick wash of one plate or a cup or whatever it needs to be, and you're not wasting your dish soap. So you can actually stretch your dollars with your dish soap by turning your dish soap into foam soap. A lot of the hand soaps and the dish soaps have a lot of concentrate in them, so when you add water to them, you still get the same effect of cleaning your dishes and your hands just as you would with using them by themselves, and you're actually stretching your dollars. So that's how I make my DIY foam soap. It's really simple. You don't need to have any special kind of homemade homemade hand soaps or anything. I just take whatever soap that's on sale as far as my hand soaps, and right now I'm loving the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap and also the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. So I use that, which can be kind of pricey sometimes, and I'm stretching my dollars by making it a foam soap for my dishes and my hands. But right now, because I bought these owls because I loved the containers in them, you know, I love the containers that it came in, I'm going to use this soap that it came in. I'm going to stretch the soap in here and turn this into a foam soap. But once I take all the soap out of here, I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to use this for my daughters for their hand lotions, because I really don't want to use this container as far as, like I told you guys in my Dollar Tree haul, I don't want to use this as a hand soap because I've seen that this white part has been scratched up really easy even in the store. So I feel like when the girls use it with water, they're just going to mess it up more, as opposed to if I put lotion in here, it won't get wet and ruin the owl look as much, I guess, as much as it would with the water. So I'm going to use these containers for hand soaps for my girls, especially for my little one when she's putting lotion at the end of the night on her. It's kind of hard for her to take the lotion bottle and squeeze it because she's already wet. So these little containers, these little owl containers, are going to be better for her. But anyways, that is how I make my foam soap. It's really simple, really easy. You can take whatever soap is on sale, stretch your dollars. All you need is a repurposed foam soap bottle that you purchased with any foam soap bottle that you see at the store. And this one is always on, like, it's always like $1 something, so it's a cheap product to buy anyway to get the bottle. So that's how I do everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, especially for the ones that wanted to see this video. If you have a DIY foam soap recipe that you would like to share with me, as far as with any other recipes, like with the Castile soap that I'm going to try to look for soon, share with me down below. If you have any other ideas of how to stretch your dollars as opposed to with any other soaps, leave it down below too, because I always like money saving tips. And don't forget to like this video if you want to see more videos of how to stretch your dollars or more homemade recipes, because that is a way to save money, is to make things from scratch. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.